There's a special contest in town today. I hope everybody's here and can make it. Bluey, Bingo, are you participating?
Papa, we wouldn't miss the competition for anything, especially when we're drawing a special puppy. Woof, woof. Yeah, a special puppy. Wow, so many people from town are here just to be part of the drawing competition. Oh my goodness, there are going to be so many people watching us draw.
Traffic, please head on over this way. The competition is about to start. I hope everybody's ready for this drawing competition. Oh, it's going to be spectacular. Does everyone know what we're drawing today?
Ooh, I can see everything from up here. Wow, I can't wait. Oh, the judge is here. We're about to start the drawing competition. All right, everyone. The drawing competition is about to start. Here's the rules. Everybody does the best work they can do. In the end, there's going to be one winner. Here's what we're drawing today. This drawing competition, we have to draw Bluey. Wow, Bluey, today we're drawing you. This is going to be fun and exciting. I can't wait. Well, I'm pretty good at drawing myself. So, everybody, are you ready? Today, I'm going to teach you how to draw me, Bluey. The competition has started, and it's time to draw our friend Bluey. Let's get out our pencil, and to start, we're going to draw a box in the middle of our page, but with soft edges. Now let's split the body into two by making a mark right here. We're going to start one ear and end here, and the other ear on the other corner. Up and drop. And again. Up and drop. For Bluey's legs, we're just going to do 4 straight lines at the bottom, like this, and adding a foot to both. Can you see Bluey yet? I promise you, Bluey will be seen in just a minute. We're just going to go ahead now and start from the middle of the face and draw Bluey's nose, going over the edge and looping at the bottom. This is when we can use our eraser to get rid of the line in the middle of the nose. And we can draw a big eye. 1 and another 2. Looking good. Bluey has little tiny pupils. So let's go ahead and draw 2 pupils. Bluey has a nose, which we can draw at the end here. And this line right here will end up being Bluey's mouth. Just like this. What's next for Bluey? Oh yeah, Bluey's got a big fluffy tail. Woo! Floof it out as much as you want, but bring it back. Bluey's also got an arm. We're going to start at the bottom of the mouth, right here, and go straight down. Now we're going to add the fingers and bring the arm right back up. That's one arm, but Bluey has 2 arms. Making a swoop over here. And how many fingers does Bluey have? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cute. What's missing? Okay, let's take a peek. Bluey has big eyebrows and big spots. One of the spots runs from here off to the side. And the other one from the top to the eye. We also have big eyebrows. One right here one right here. Uh-oh, it's time to erase some lines because the eyebrows overlapped our square shape.
Erase, 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 right here. Erase, 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 over here. And by the fingers. Erase, erase, erase.
That's looking so good. Bluey has a different color hand, and Bluey has some more spots on her back, like this. Bluey also has a different color tail in the back and different colored paws. Now we can add Bluey's toes. I think Bluey is ready to draw with colors and marker. This is one of my favorite parts because now we get to take our markers and see if we did everything right. Here we go. Whoa, things are looking really good. But I forgot something super important. The belly line. That one's going right there. And now I can use my black marker. We're going to start with the face because the face has some colors and around it we're not going to make a black line. Because we're naturally just going to fade into the colors, I'm going to go ahead and start with my beige color. From here, we're going to make a thin line of baby blue around the mouth and wherever else we have the color baby blue. Next shade of blue is this one. This is just a regular blue. Woohoo! Almost done. Bluey has just one more shade of blue, and it's super dark. We did it! Look! Do you think this looks just like Bluey? Maybe we could have made this a little bit more yellow, but oh my goodness! Bluey's art competition! Here's our entry! Woohoo! Girls, you did fantastic! I'm going to hang up your drawings in my office. I hope you had fun too, drawing in this competition. Who was the better artist? Bluey or Bingo? Both are amazing. Come on, girls, let's go home.
Wait for us, Dad. Whee! Oh, me too.